We're just going to take I've got a few quick picks of some builds, and I got some builds we'll spend some more time on. So this one is just a quick pick of a little tiny stove build, and I just wanted to show one example of a water heat exchanger that one of my customers has built into their tiny cook stove. I thought this was a nice installation. I would say this is a little pinched on the sides here, being only about 1 inch in terms of restrictions, but there's a lot of room back here for gases to flow, so it's not 100% pinched. And it's just a nice, neat installation, and this does a good job of showing you one way to interface the heat exchanger with external plumbing. Is they've just threaded this stainless pipe that they've had bent and a die put on it to cut threads, and then they're just passing that through gaps in the brickwork and using mortar to seal that up. So that's a neat way to do that. I really like that. I thought it was really clean, and so I just wanted to show you that. And just so we can see how that panned out, here is the rest of this build. You can see their core going in and their door. And sorry, my photos are jumping all over. I'm struggling here. Okay, here we go. Why is it doing that? Well, anyways, doesn't matter. So there's the beautiful bench top they made. That is just one of my favorite bench tops I've ever seen on one of these stoves. I just think it's gorgeous. They used pieces of, I believe, stained glass to make the design, the salmon there and the undersea scene. So I think that's just one of the coolest things. I love this heater. And as you can see, it just came out gorgeous. They used soapstone on the top there for that final finish. And what a lovely stove, isn't it? This is just gorgeous. So there's the first build. So I wanted to just kind of show you guys a little bit of what's possible with some finer finishes and things like that. So here's a stove with built-in water heating and a small bench in a tiny cook stove. So very, very cool. There's a little shot of the soapstone top. Love this.